Thanks for joining us tonight for Fox 40 News at 5. I'm Nikki Lorenzo.
And I'm Eric Harriman. Fox 40 Cedric Hood is live at 5 to break down how this arrest shows that partnership in action, Cedric.
Yeah, Eric, Nikki, this man is behind bars tonight. Officials say they were able to retrieve this firearm before it can cause any harm out on the streets. Now, this all began when a rider on the SAC-RT bus saw this rifle, alerted authorities through a 911 text. Now, this comes as the Sacramento County Sheriff's Office just last month announced they were taking over safety operation for SAC-RT, a move they say has boosted safety. A normal commute turned into a serious arrest. Deputies say they received a 911 text alert from a SAC-RT rider who saw what appeared to be a firearm on a bus. That prompted an immediate response from the Sacramento County Sheriff's Office, the same agency that just recently began fully leading safety operations on SAC-RT vehicles and stations after the district ended its contract with Sacramento Police.
Our agency received an anonymous text stating that there was an individual on this specific bus that had a firearm. Obviously, our deputies immediately responded.
According to the sheriff's office, the man got off the bus at this stop on Rudier Road and Ellenwood Drive in Rancho Cordova. As they approached him, he admitted to carrying the gun. That's when deputies arrested the man identified as 21-year-old Kanye Smith Burns.
As they spoke with the bus driver of the bus, the individual that was described got off the bus on his own accord. As deputies approached him, he just flat out admitted, "Hey, I have a gun on me and it's not mine." At that point, he was detained and we were able to collect the firearm.
The weapon turned out to be an illegal, unregistered AR-style rifle loaded small enough to carry in a backpack.
So it was an unregistered firearm. It was an illegal firearm based upon California law. It was an AR-type weapon, and it had a 7-inch barrel. He was able to hide it into a backpack easily. It was loaded, and because of that, he was arrested on the weapons charges as well as having a concealed loaded firearm in public.
Sergeant Igo says there was no major incident and they were able to secure the gun, getting it off the streets before it could cause harm.
So we've had a long-time partnership with Regional Transit. Now that we're taking it over completely, that is just going to be able to allow us to bring more to the table that we can do to assist them in any way we can.
Now tonight, that man is still behind bars. He's going to be facing several weapons charges. And as far as the rifle goes, they will hold on it until this case is complete. At that point, it will be removed from the evidence locker and it will be destroyed. Live in Sacramento, covering local news that matters, Cedric Hood, Fox 40 News.
All right, Cedric, thank you.